we're going to walk in the shop. Show you how this works. We open up the door, we go in, and yep, there's my little studio corner I'm building. My bathroom back in that corner. And the shop stuff's over that way. Big workbenches and all that stuff. Oh, wait. Computer, turn on shop lights. There you go. How's that? That better? Now, here's my studio area I'm working on. And I've got a cabinet here that's going to have all my electronics and all my storage in it. Tripods and stuff on top. This all is getting covered up and put in a box. That's going to be finished off that wall. That fire extinguisher's moving. These walls here are for backdrops. This cabinet right here is in the process of being converted over for guitar storage. They stand up from right there, up there. The next will all be in braces this way. And I think I can get 7 in there, which will help. I mean, I got 11, but yeah, that'll get some of them out of the way. But that gets them out of the way. I don't have cases for everything. So, and then I have all these drawers for cables and tuners and all the other parts and different things. And that little drawer right there, this one right here, that slips out. And then there's it turns. Whoop, turns. And if you see the piece inside the table there, that mounts onto the end of it so you can work on it. So you can set a guitar on there and work on it. It's a workstation for guitars also. So that'll be a full place to work on a guitar and keep a guitar in good shape. Now, if you're wondering what I'm doing with this fancy oak furniture in my shop, we don't have room for it in the house, and most of it was damaged by the movers when they moved the furniture out after we had the fire. They tore the doors off and just completely destroyed this big desk over here. It's rickety. I had to put a board across the back to hold it together. So, hey, it is what it is. We close this up, put it out of the way. But like I say, that will be my guitar storage cabinet. And then I have a stand there sitting there for one. There'll be others there. I got brackets. I'll probably hang 1 or 2 there. Coming around this way, there's going to be a wall going from right behind that table, between that table and that black. It's going to come straight over this way. And then there will be a doorway right here coming into the studio. So we have a first studio desk is right here. Got my TV up on the wall. Got super 2 and 5G Wi-Fi. Got my surround little speaker system. Got to have a toilet and a heater. And some toilet paper. Can't go without that, folks. So anyway, I have this little table here. It's my hospital table. I got it when I worked at the hospital on construction. They were throwing them away, and I got one. I wished I'd have got 10. I'm mounting a camera light, boom arm. The whole works on that table. It's got wheels. It rolls all over the place. It's stable. And if you want to raise it up to record somewhere else, well, raise it up a little bit and get it up where you can work. So I'm going to be using that to do tech videos on. So a lot of y'all don't know, but Spike's other channel is, or Spike's channel is Frugal Fixer Spike, and I do a lot of tech videos on that channel is what we're going to be doing. So anyway, we got to finish up the room, get it locked out, and once we get that done, we're going to put us a ceiling across it and close that in, and that'll be tight where we can do our videos in it. This is storage for chemicals. That's storage for yard and car wash stuff. This is a little bit of everything stored here, from paper towels, little nuts and bolts, inverters, first aid kit. on the far, I said left over there, some rubber gloves, trash bags, and then my rolling tote box with all my hand tools in it. All my chargers are on this wall right over here, plugged in. I just tell my Alexa, which is called something else in my shop, but I tell it to turn on this outlet or that outlet or whatever, and it fires off the outlet I want the power to go to, so I don't have a lot of battery drain on outlets I don't want. So as an example, you see that battery charger sitting right there with that green light on the front of it. You see that? It's burning power. No, it's not supposed to be doing that, but I had it on doing something. So watch this. Computer, turn off chargers. Wow, there you go. That's the way it works. Yep, I'm coming along in the high-tech redneck game here, guys. Over on this side of the shop, we got assembly area. Well, we just walked right by the big girl here. I guess not, some of y'all hadn't seen the big girl since she got her new paint job. Now, things have gotten a little tight on this side of the shop, but that's okay. I don't need that much space to make parts. My huge big green table moved right here behind my wall. And that big girl's sitting here kind of tight, and she's on wheels. So I can move her anywhere I want to. There's them 3 boxes got to go out today. I got to get them out the door. I'm going to the post office now. So anyway, the big girl's all tuned up. Got her a nice little paint job, making her pretty. And I think we're going to be happy with the way that works. The boxes are on the molds up there. There's that stuff. A bunch of parts on the shelves sitting here. A lot of organization and stuff still to be done. There's 5 gold rims I was just working on a little bit ago. My crazy flipper table that flips from drill press to flat work table to whatever I want to put on the third side. And I'd like to show you something I'm really proud of here. My radial alarm saw that I use to do a lot of my cutting to cut parts. Y'all see that blade right there? No guard on it? Yeah, stay away from it. It'll cut your ass. But you know what? When I want to raise that blade up and down to cut something, and it's just too low, well, I raise it up. You wonder, how do you do that? Well, here you go. Pretty simple, huh? That's the way it works. I got my vise mounted on the same table. My grinder on the same table. I don't use them very often, so why worry about them? Just keep them where it ain't falling off on my foot. So anyway, that's a little look around the shop now. It's got a little tight on this side of the shop. There's no doubt about that. But the big girl slides around